Alright, you guys, sorry it's a little dark in here. Get the flashlight there. Alright, this is gonna be like one of those official videos, because obviously I had a lot of questions and I know other people have a lot of questions. We all have a lot of questions when it comes to doing the belt swap. So it's really easy. You just buy one of these MK3 alternator brackets. You take off all of your old brackets, and this bracket mounts right to your water pump and your engine block. And then you just put the MK3 alternator on there. You have to use the MK3 ground plug right there. You have to get that. I had to break it because I have zero gauge, so I had to break one of the plastic tabs. Then you have the AC pump bracket that connects down there, and then the power steering bracket connects to that. It's really straightforward and simple, and then you just put a VR6, one of those, see on the water pump. You can't really see. Let me see if I can get a better light in here. Nope, that didn't help. Well, down there on the water pump, you use a VR6 water pump pulley. And then for the crankshaft, you use a 6-groove pulley. And then you use a single groove pulley on the outside of that. So you have to use longer bolts. Now, for me, if you can see, which you probably can't, let's see if I can zoom in and see if I can get maybe capture it. If you see that little bit of silver, see if I can shine the light. See how there's silver on there? I had to put two nuts on each bolt between the power steering pump and the pulley, because otherwise these two pulleys were not lined up. They were really crooked from each other. So I had to put 2 nuts in between each one, and it made them align correctly. But other than that, that's it. You might have a little trouble with putting the power steering pump in, but it's really not that bad. The bracket's pretty confusing, but I'll post one of the guys, I can't remember his account name, Pat at Soundworks, I think, sent me a diagram for the power steering pump. That's how I figured out how to get it on, thanks to him. And we'll get all the correct names for all the brackets and stuff, so you guys know what to order. And if you have any questions, I can help you with this one. I didn't use AC. I didn't want AC. I live in Wisconsin. I don't see the point. And also, I'm hoping in the future I can add a second alternator. I just got to work on that with a friend of mine. But any questions, just comment on this thread. We'll try to make this the official one for 1.8 without AC. And with power steering conversion, because I noticed that almost all of them are manual, no power steering. But yeah, just hope this video helped, and let me know if I can help you with anything else.